Connecting InkSoft stores and Printavo production is the first step in the Inktavo integration plan. This is only a preview of our transformative vision of what software can be in our industry. By bringing InkSoft-powered stores into Printavo for production, you no longer have to prioritize your sales engine over your production capabilities and vice versa. You benefit from the powerful combination of InkSoft's online store creation and Printavo's shop management in a streamlined setup, enhancing sales and production efficiency. For example, here's an InkSoft order that's been shared with Printavo. Here's the same order linked to Printavo, where it will be converted to a Printavo invoice and scheduled for production. This is what we're excited about, the seamless flow of orders between both platforms. Users of both platforms can utilize Printavo's advanced production tools, such as the Power Scheduler, to complete the production tasks. The order can then be finalized back at InkSoft where the order originated. I'm going to walk you through the setup process and workflow. You'll need to be on a Printavo Premium plan and InkSoft Unlimited plan to enable integration. To initiate the integration, you'll first need to connect the two platforms by logging into Printavo from within InkSoft. Next, you would determine which stores in InkSoft you'd like to share with Printavo for production management. Head over to the InkSoft Stores section. Enable the stores you want to share orders with, whether globally or individually. You have the flexibility to choose. We understand that some InkSoft stores are simple grab-and-go stores, and you might not need to link them for production. Once connected, new orders generated in InkSoft through InkSoft Stores, the InkSoft Designer, or InkSoft Proposals will automatically be shared with Printavo. You'll see a P icon in the InkSoft Order Manager indicating that the order is being shared. You'll also see a default status that reflects the orders that are being linked in Printavo. To eliminate redundancy, active production card links are no longer visible because the production is being handled in Printavo. Both Printavo and InkSoft can create and manage online stores. Printavo Merch provides a basic online store platform that can function as an order form and a way to collect payment. InkSoft online stores can not only function as your primary website, but enable you to create highly customized stores adapted for a wide variety of use cases, including online design. The InkSoft stores are seamlessly consolidated within Printavo's new Storefronts section. Here you'll see a list of all the InkSoft stores you've shared with Printavo. You can quickly check shared orders and statuses and search for specific stores. The centralized Storefronts area gives you instant visibility on all online orders. When you select a store, you'll see all of the orders that are being shared plus high-level information about the order. Personalization data, such as names and numbers, is seamlessly pulled over, ensuring everything needed for production is at your fingertips. To initiate the order fulfillment process, click on the store and you'll see a list of all the orders that have come in that have not been processed yet. You'll see indicators for new orders, in production, ready to ship, and fulfilled. You can also search and filter orders. You'll select orders that you want to produce together and add them to an invoice. You can either select all of the orders or just specific orders you want to group together. This is the place where you'll collate orders from production that have trickled in over time. You'll be prompted to select a customer, so the corresponding customer in InkSoft will need to be created in Printavo. After we create the invoice, we look at all the different product print locations and designs, and we group everything by the same combinations for production. In the invoice, we add a default InkSoft Stores tag for visibility and create default dates based on the soonest in-hand date on the InkSoft order. In the Printavo invoice, you'll see we combine all of the like items into the same row. Each row will show a mock-up of what the item and design look like for each unique SKU and color. In the same line item group, you will see the imprints associated with the group. You have a seamless order and fulfillment workflow with top-notch tools from both platforms, reducing manual tasks and enhancing overall efficiency in your operation. Once the invoice is created in Printavo, you'll proceed the same way you would with any other invoice in Printavo. You can either assign tasks to the calendar or schedule imprints via the Power Scheduler. Once the imprints for the invoice are fulfilled, your production staff will mark as ready to ship or ready to print in InkSoft from the Actions menu in Printavo. This will update both the invoice and the related InkSoft orders to ready to ship or ready to pick up in InkSoft. The rest of the fulfillment is ready to be handled in InkSoft, including shipping labels and pickup notifications. An important part of the integration is bi-directional communication. You have complete visibility on what is going on simultaneously on both platforms. In Printavo, under InkSoft Stores in the Storefront section, You can cross-reference information on the orders. You have a quick link that will take you back to the InkSoft Order Manager that is pre-filtered to that store. You can also click on the order number to go back to the specific order in InkSoft. In InkSoft, we also update the InkSoft order with the status Printavo in production, indicating the order has been assigned to an invoice in Printavo. The Printavo invoice status and color code will be reflected automatically back in the InkSoft production card, along with a link to the Printavo invoice. As the items in the invoice progress in Printavo, the orders related to the invoice in InkSoft will reflect the Printavo production statuses. The integration between InkSoft and Printavo provides the best of both worlds, the power and convenience of InkSoft stores matched with the automation and efficiency of Printavo for production. We've implemented a scalable solution that can handle increasing order volumes without compromising efficiency, preparing your small business for growth and expansion.